Parents with kids with autism, or parents with kids with special needs in general, have you ever felt like giving up? Have you ever felt like giving up your child? Have you ever felt lost in a journey? Have you ever felt hatred towards yourself? Have you ever felt not good enough? Not a good mom? Have you ever felt defeated? Have you ever felt you don't want to exist in this moment? Have you ever felt like going away and never returning? Have you ever felt like you're not recognizing yourself? Like you're losing yourself? Have you ever developed anxiety and fall into a state of depression? Have you ever felt alone? Like the world just doesn't understand? This month of April, for Autism Awareness, I'm not advocating for the kids with autism, but I'm shedding light on the parents with children with autism. I'm also not here to glorify the autism journey. I'm here to tell you how much I hate autism. I'm here to tell you I will stand in my authentic self with raw emotions that are unfiltered and unapologetic. Too many parents are scared to share their true emotions because of the fear of being judged. I will share with you stories of moms or parents who are going through emotional pain. Here's what I want you to do for me. In the spirit of freely and authentically expressing your feelings, I want you to write me a Dear Autism, I Hate You letter. Throughout the month of April, I will share these letters on my page. Too often, the journey is being glorified by perfect parents with perfect kids with autism. I am an imperfect parent with an imperfect child who is on the low level of the spectrum, and the journey sucks. It's tough. I've seen some raw emotions of parents on smaller groups, but I think these emotions need to be more on the surface and shared to larger groups so people understand that it's not only the children that need help and resources, but the parents need a lot of emotional support. They need a lot of therapy. So, join me for the month of April as we dive into this emotional journey and the effects on the caregivers.